SEO web design for local business. Today, I am launching a local SEO website design project that we have been working on perfecting for the last 2 years. If you are looking for a website for your business and you are a local service business, this product is perfect for you. Our customers are seeing up to 3,000% increase in visibility after month 1. Schedule a consultation, codastaff.io/schedule. Local SEO website. A local SEO website is a website that is developed to generate local traffic from your ideal customers looking for your products or services. We build these sites to Google SEO spec to make sure they rank in Google and show up in the cities you service. We do this by building a custom database we use to generate your SEO city pages. This technology used by Fortune 500 companies. Cutting-edge technology. Free website design by CodeStaff. We will design your website for free. Stop wasting money on marketing expenses that don't help you generate business and get customers. Look at some of our design. https://www.behance.net/code-staff. Schedule design consultation. https://codastaff.io/free-promotion. SEO city pages are the secret. We build custom city pages for every city within 10 miles of your location. This can generate tens, if not hundreds or thousands of city pages where your customers can find your website and offer in that local area. We call these local SEO city pages. We do this by writing a custom database of your target areas and generate local pages for your website. Custom SEO database. WordPress CMS for blogging. WordPress is the top blogging content management systems on the planet. We integrate your custom SEO website with a WordPress blog where you can write content for your audience to keep your website updated and relevant to your location and services. Headless WordPress blog using GraphQL. Instant local SEO rankings. How it works. We will design your custom website using our state-of-the-art local SEO app. We are looking for 5 to 10 people that want to take advantage of our new software launch for a 50% sale. These sites sell from $2,000 to $5,000 on the marketplace. We are giving these custom local SEO website away to qualified businesses for as low as $1,000. We require no commitment or long contracts. We have a product that we know works and works well, and we want to earn your. Schedule a call to start your free web design process. codastaff.io/schedule. Free website hosting. Save up to $300 per year on website hosting by switching to a static site. Hosting your website has become a cost that we thought we would never get away from. With our state-of-the-art Gatsby.js static local SEO website, you can host your website for free because it's made with a static file system. Custom integrations available. Integrate your local SEO site with any CMS or API. Blazing static website. Custom database for local SEO city pages. Product/service pages. Google Analytics. Google Webmaster Tools. Bing Webmaster Tools. Schema data. Microdata. WordPress blog. Google Maps. WordPress blog. GraphQL. Gatsby GraphQ. Business. Similar applications. Mass page websites. Directory websites. Netlify hosting. Gatsby.js. GitHub. SerpFarm. Static sites. Franchise SEO. Headless WordPress. Headless React. Headless Shopify. Hashtag SEO, hashtag web design, hashtag Gatsby, hashtag CodeStaff, hashtag LocalSEO, hashtag SoapDesign. Contact CodeStaff for your local SEO website project. https://codastaff.io/contact. SEO web design sale, free web design by CodeStaff.